Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on mic on Roblox. You just need to follow these steps. So, watch this video till the end. First, you just need to go to Roblox website that you just need to type roblox.com. Now, at the top right corner of your screen, you will see this type of icon. Click on it and you will find the settings option here. Click on settings and you will find this type of interface. Add your email if you don't yet. Now I'm going to add my email account here and check the box and then click on add email. Then after adding your email, they say an email has been sent for verification. Check your mailbox and click on verify email. Then you will see a confirmation message on Roblox account and they will give you a present. Then click on refresh and you will see you have added your Gmail and also verified your Gmail account. Now it's time to verify your age. Click on verify my age. You can verify your age from a valid ID like driver license, passport ID or residence permit. Also you can verify it is using by smartphone. Scan this QR code on your smartphone. After scanning, you will get a link from Roblox. Click on it and they will redirect you to a verification page. Now from here, you can verify your age by having your valid government issued ID or make sure you are in a well lit room. Be prepared to take a selfie and photos of your ID. After clicking being verified, you will get access to a camera and you have to take a photo of your valid ID card and take a selfie of yourself and go to Roblox website. Usually they takes around 1 or 2 working days to verify your age. After verifying your age, go to privacy settings. You will find a feature that are beta features that called enable voice chat. Click on the enable button and it will turn into green, and that's mean the voice chat is now on in your Roblox account. That's all for today's video. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this helpful, then give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, don't forget to click on the bell icon. We will get back to you soon. Till then, goodbye.